Okay, so hi guys, this is Prasanna from AC Python. So today we are going to see Coders Division 3 Code Chef competition, Coders Division 3 and rated. So okay, so this is the fourth question of the competition. I have already uploaded 3 videos, you can check it out. And yeah, so let us see. So in this one, again she finds some candy, it seems. This is Monica, and there are n neighbors. Okay, and the ith neighbor has an initial energy equal to A and AI and all. Basically, what she's saying is that she's having a bowl full of chocolates, and people are having some energies. So let us say 0, 5, 1, 2, 9, 5, something like that. Okay, so that's random, and they're arranging them into rows, and each of them are passing the baskets. So if someone is having zero energy or negative energy, I think so. After each pass, okay. So if the person holding the okay has non-positive means nothing but zero. If she's having zero energy, she'll just drop the ball, not the ball, the bowl. So she's having what is the maximum time until the bowl is dropped. So how the try come means for every pass 1 second it takes place. So 1 unit of time or 1 second, something like that. Yeah, 1 second. So we need to find the maximum time. So what we need to do, the ideology of the program or the algorithm. So the thing is that after each pass, at the end again it goes to the first. So what we need to do is that we need to arrange the people with the highest to the lowest. Understand, the highest energy at the first person to the leftmost and the lowest to the rightmost. So it's nothing but a sort function. So sort it and put it in descending order. So that's it. Actually, then you find a minimum value, and if there are 3 persons, so let us say the yeah, here itself it's given, I think 2 1 1. Yeah, 2 1 1 is there. So we arrange it as 2 1 1, and he passes 1 minute 1 second, he again passes 1 second, he again passes 1 second. So the next energy will be 1 0 0. He has 1 energy, so he won't drop it. So he will again pass. So actually 1 1 1 and another one, 4 energies, or 4 seconds. 4 seconds time, the ball is not getting dropped. So what we are doing is that we need to find the minimum value of the energy that the full array is having, or the minimum of the array, and we need to multiply that into n, so that everyone will actually pass that minimum value of time, and then we will see how many people are having more than this minimum value, because they alone will pass another time, right? Because if another here the 3 2 1 1 is there, pass 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 pass, so 4 pass will be having. So 3 to 2, 2 to 1, and 1 to 1, and then 1 will again go to that 3 first. So at last it will be 2 1 0 0, right? So this 2 again will pass, this 1 again will pass. So plus 2 is happening. So 4 plus 2, 6, and this 0 cannot pass because he is having 0, which is non-positive. So it is 4 plus 2, means the minimum number of energy the whole array is having, and into the number of people n is given, n is given, and plus the number of people who is having more than this minimum value. That is it, simple support, no problem. This only 11 lines of code, easiest. So you get the input, these two are input, and then I told you sort in ascending order, then you reverse it to get it in descending order. You find the minimum value, and then what you do is that wait, actually here ascending is also not needed, right? So that's an extra part, but then that's how the algorithm works. But for calculation it's not needed. Yeah, for calculation it's not needed. If any further questions are asked in this question, it will be needed. But yeah, so you need to find the minimum value a, minimum of the array, and then you need to multiply it with n, total number of n. So that is the answer, and you need to add 1 for each and every person who is having more than the minimum energy, because they can pass again in that round, last round. So that's it, this question is over, no problems, and yeah, I'll upload this also. Thank you, bye.